to the ranch and that, and we would play with these at nighttime.
Okay.
And it used to freak him out. A couple of the other guys that would come out there too.
A CD. I'm listening.
As long as I could hear you, I was hitting you. And it used to freak them out. They're like, how the hell are you doing that? And I was like, keep making noise. I'll hit you every fucking time.
Like paintball?
Let's go.
All right.
Airsoft.
Airsoft. Does BB hurt worse than paintball?
Oh, yeah. BBs are brass.
Gypsy, move out of the way. Come on. This way. Okay. Don't listen then. Okay, so there's the target. Just save some for me. I've got to practice too. Take your time. One, two, three, four. Was that 4 or 5 shots?
I don't know. 5 maybe?
5 shots?
Maybe 5.
Okay, I'm going to give this over to you. It's my turn. Safety on. Oh, thank you. It looks realistic.
It looks too real.
So when you zoom in, you use 2 fingers to zoom in on the target. Not me. Oh, it's sideways. How am I supposed to hit it like that?
I don't know.
Safety's on. Okay.
Don't hit the cat.
Gypsy. Maybe I gotta go from this angle.
There you go. Thought it was turning.
Sorry.
Hit the duck. You don't want to shoot the duck?
There's not much left of it.
Well, because I'm a good shot.
Oh, you're more. I don't know.
Oh, turn sideways again.
Okay, well. I don't know how many shots. It only holds 21.
Right? There you go.
That was sideways and I still did. I'm gonna go this side. That's it.
Okay, here, let me see it. Oh, let me see.
Right. What's left of it? Not too much. I gotta practice. This is good to know.
So you're at it.